Hi, I'm Mike with House on the Mend, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the Gourmetop magnetic knife strip. So let's get started.
House on the Mend.
Now, real quick, I am neither paid nor sponsored by Gourmetop. They simply reached out and offered to send me this unit for my independent review. So let's unbox it and see what comes inside. All right, here's everything that comes in the box. The acacia wood is very smoothly sanded. The corners are not routed, but they are just knocked off so that they're not really sharp all the way around. You have the logo right here that has actually been embossed into it, not just burned, but looks like routed or lasered into it. Really nice. The magnet is no joke. It really grips on there. I'll be interested to see how much weight that can hold, but it is really strong. And that's because there's a row of the neodymium magnets there. All right, we've got a bunch of mounting hardware as well. So if you see these two holes, that's where you can put a couple different styles of screws that are included. We have the wall anchors here, so these are good for going into sheetrock. And then a couple wood screws that would go into those, followed by a couple of wooden plugs. So you can plug up these holes with the included wooden plugs afterwards. Now this one's a little bit more interesting. These are adhesive back clear plastic mounting brackets here, and they go right on the back. And as I look at these, I'm trying to, every time I turn them, do you see over here, they overlap the sides, so there isn't one that lines up perfectly. So if you're going to use these, you peel off this strip here, stick it on, and it slides right into here. You're going to want to, unless you don't care about this being visible, you're going to want to trim this back a bit before you apply these. But nonetheless, then you have these threaded screws that will go in through the wood and into this little nut that has been embedded into this like acrylic or vinyl material. So a couple different mounting options. Now there are no included instructions, but on the back of the box it says not dishwasher safe, avoid long exposure to water, dry upright, meaning don't let water just pool and stand on it flat, and then apply mineral oil every few months to protect the wood surface. So I like that. That means that this hasn't been treated with a polyurethane or any other kind of sealant that you might be worried about getting on your knives or utensils. It's just going to be natural mineral oil finish. And thusly you need to maintain that and give it a little bit of oil every so often to keep its luster. Just for curiosity, I did flip it over to see if the back was magnetic, and it is not. There is no part of this where the magnet's power comes through, so you're not going to be able to just mount it on a refrigerator or say a stainless steel cabinetry, or in my intended use case in the van, it's going to need to be mounted through these screw holes using some combination of this included hardware. Let's start by mounting it with the most traditional route, regular screws. Doesn't get much easier than that. I'm going to leave the little wooden buns out because we're going to transfer it over to another spot and utilize the adhesive backs. But let's see how it holds. really nice. I saw this in their ad, looks fun. Saucepan, omelet pan. This 11-inch pot is 4 pounds and probably too slick on the bottom. Well, just that little bit of testing has already marred the surface a bit. All right, let's try the adhesive-backed method for installing it. So from chisel screwdrivers, wrenches, sockets, Allen wrenches, saw blades, clamps, pliers, drill bits, and pocket knives, the Gourmetop handles them all. Well, let's see if a little mineral oil can do anything about all these scratches. Yeah, this one's practically disappeared. This one's much less visible, and you can still see this one, but well, all right, that completes our testing. So overall, I found this to be a really nice, elegant knife or tool holder, and I can't wait for our van series that's upcoming to approach the time when I'm working on the galley, because this is going to be featured prominently on that wall. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Also, please consider subscribing for more content and tool reviews. And I'm going to leave a link to this Gourmetop item in the description below. Full disclosure, that'll be an Amazon affiliate link. So if you click on it, end up making a purchase, it won't cost you a thing, but I do get a small reward at the end of the month. It helps to justify all the time it takes to make these videos. I want to thank Gourmetop for sending me out this unit for my independent review. I think it takes a lot of courage for a company to send out one of their products without any preconceived agreements on what I'm going to say. And I respect them for that. Until next time, thank you for watching.